Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you all how you can fix your 164 diecast if they have paint chips. Now the materials that you'll mainly need is just some Sharpies and a paint pen. It does work. I've never actually tried it, but it will work, and to be honest, it might even look better than a Sharpie. But what I do is, along the spoiler and along the front, you can see that there's paint chips. Then on this side, the lower side skirt right here, it's got a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the black jumbo Sharpie first. And mainly all you really want to do is you just want to go over where the paint chips are so that it'll just cover it up. Now it might take a couple coats to get it completely covered. Depends on your ink flow, really. But you see, like right there, that turned out really well, and now it doesn't even look like there's a paint chip. So that's mainly what you want to do. Now the black, like paint chips on the black, is fairly easy to fix because you don't have to, like, it's just black. Whereas like other colors, it's kind of like a matching game. So I particularly like to only use the black just because it just turns out a lot better. But all in all, I mean, this is really all you do, and this is pretty easy for pretty much anyone to do, and like if they have some paint chips on their 164 diecast. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I was younger, I used to play with these, and they would all get damaged from every now and then. And now I'm growing into more of the collecting stage, and so now I'm just trying to find different ways to pretty much just restore these back to the way they were. But yeah, pretty much that is all you really do. And you just go over it and you try to not get any on the decal. Because I mean, if you get it on the decal, then it's kind of like game over. But all in all, it went from what it looked like with all the yellow showing through to now a pretty decent diecast. So yeah, that's all I got for now. Stay tuned. I got some videos coming up shortly, and we will talk to you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching.